Let's unbox and try on this month's P. Louise budget box. It says ready, set, pack your shit and go. I love this. This is very luggage and travel based. I'm really excited about the variety in this month's box. And just for reference, I do purchase this myself every month. It's about 56 US dollars and like $15 of that is shipping to the US, which is annoying, but it is what it is. P. Louise is one of my favorite makeup brands, and actually some of their skincare is really good too. Running through the products quickly before we actually try them on our face, we have a gripping primer. I really love the smoothing primer I got last time, so hype on a gripping primer. I don't know what this is, so I feel like I have to open it. Oh, it's a Protect Your Pout lip conditioner and Stay Shinin' lip oil. I love their lip oils. I love new mascaras. Crossed fingers, this is a good one. I believe this is a lipstick palette. I have never been drawn to a lip palette before, but these colors are calling my name. And then we have a face palette. I think this is supposed to be for your full face. Oh my God, there's highlighters, blushes, and bronzers. This is gonna be great for a makeup artist because like these colors I probably won't get as much use of, maybe as eyeshadows, but these colors are more close to my skin tone. Just tried to open this up and I stupidly opened it by twisting it because I didn't realize what it was. It's another setting spray. This is a fix-up setting spray and I opened it and spilled some of it, but hopefully there's plenty still in there. I think I only spilled like that much of it. Did my brows off camera and let's get right to this primer. This is again the gripping primer. Oh, gotta open it. It's definitely got that like clear kind of jelly look to it. Scent-wise, it actually smells really nice, pleasant, nothing too strong. I'm just gonna get that right on the face. Ooh. God, she just does products so well. So it's not as sticky right away. This kind of reminds me of an in-between between the like e.l.f. Power Grip and the One Size Hydrating Primer. What is it called? The Secure the Glow. Like this one has a little bit less grip, but this one, yeah, this one as it dries down is definitely getting that grippy texture to it. This is feeling nice on the face and you can see that tack. Okay, this is adorable. I was just gonna put the like lip conditioner on. It has a little keychain and I actually think I'm gonna put this on my keys or on like my backpack. I don't love the scent of lemons, but let's see how this is. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Oh, that's really pleasant actually. Definitely lemony, but not horrible. And this cute lip oil, that's the color right there. I did my foundation and concealer off camera, but two things you can probably notice. One, the base looks flawless, so that gripping primer is doing great things. I feel like I have a little bit of a filter on with this as well. It just looks good. Additionally, my lips are more red because what I didn't notice is on the packaging, it says it's toxic. It's not actually toxic, but it says it tingles, which means this is a lip plumper. I am not mad at that. It actually makes me love this more. I wonder if this is also a lip plumper because it's called Sharp Bite. I'll be interested because I would love a lip oil with a little bit of a bite to it. If you're interested, I use the Prada foundation and then the Dominique Cosmetics concealers. This larger face palette actually has two cream blushes in it. I don't know if you can see that like sheen to it. So we're gonna use that. I'm not gonna use any cream contour just because I wanna see what these products can really do and what they look like on the face without any other colors altering it. But yeah, let's try this guy right here. I should show you this brush first because it's just stained. It doesn't have any color on it. It just has some pink staining. But we're gonna dive in to this beautiful kind of orangey shade, which is right up my alley. Ooh, I like that it's on the lighter side. Okay, it's actually a really pretty like tangerine color, but I do feel like on this side especially, it's lifting my foundation a little bit, which I don't love. I'm gonna try to go in with the sponge. Yeah, getting up close and personal, I just feel like there's some texture there, which means there's some lifting. Before we go in with any powder, I'm gonna use the setting spray just to kind of melt everything together. I'm gonna shake it up and then spray. Mister is beautiful. There's no strong scent to it and it's starting to really melt all the products together, which is always a win. Just quickly set my T-zone and my eyelids with the Maybelline Fit Me. P. Louise eyeshadows are some of my favorite, but we don't have any P. Louise eyeshadows in this box. So I'm gonna do a look directly out of this face palette, which I think is just gonna be stunning. We're gonna make it nice and easy. I'm gonna go in with, actually, you know what? Let's use this beautiful shade in our crease. Is nitpicky, but I don't love when cream products are next to powder products. It just doesn't make sense to me. The powder is going to get into the cream and make it all wonky. I feel like if you do that, you need to do something like a Patrick Ta that has a little door covering the cream product, but it is what it is. I wish they just removed the cream products from this. I actually love this color blush too. I feel like I'm gonna get some use out of that, but let's do a little bit of the deeper brown into the outer third of my lid here. Oh, it's so beautiful. Off camera, I added some white eyeliner and then a little bit of that same darker brown shade on the lower lash line. And now let's just go in with this shade right here, since it's not one that I can use as a highlight because it's on the darker side. And I'm gonna use this on the center of the lid. Oh yeah. I love this shade. This shade right here is gonna be an easy, like, one and done all over lid shade for the summer with some mascara. Perfectly sexy bronze. And of course, let's add in this shade right here on the inner portion. Well, I love this eye look, but let's quickly use this on our face. Gonna bronze up with this shade right here, which might be a bit on the deep side for me, but we're just using it for the purposes of this video. Yeah, this particular palette is not exactly the shades I would choose. It's a little on the warm side. Let's definitely go in with that same blush right on top. Yeah, I'd probably use that bronzer more as a, like, blush. But this blush color, I love these. These two and this highlight are smack dab what? Some of the favorite products in that palette. Let's quickly highlight. It's gonna be strong, I'm sure. Okay, that is a blinding highlight. I could have blended that a little bit better, but it's okay. I actually love a blinding highlight. I just need to make sure to be a little nicer on the blend. One more time with the setting spray before lips and mascara. I lined and filled in a little bit of my lips with the Kiko Milano shade number 20 because I want to use one of these bright shades of the lip palette. Oh, I just love that. I feel like this is going to be the best one for this lip. This one's on the pinkier side. So I'm just gonna grab this on a lip brush. It's like a concealer style. Yes, this is exactly my kind of concealer style lip. Because I'm not a makeup artist and I won't be using this on anyone else, I'm just going in with my finger. I find that to be a bit easier, but of course you gotta keep it sanitary. If you're using a product on multiple people, I mean, you should for yourself too, but let's use this lip oil. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. It's like a yellowy lemon color. I always love her lip oils. I know I was hating on the lemon theme, but I actually really like the way this smells. It's got to have some sweetness to it or something because it's not just a regular lemon. Ooh, and I'm starting to get a little bit of the tingle. Yes, I love that this has that too. I honestly love everything so far. The only thing I probably wouldn't have purchased myself is this guy. I would love to have these individually, like these specific blushes, and actually both of these highlights I would totally use because I think I'm going to use that darker one as a shimmer on the lid a lot, but the bronzer shades just aren't really my colors. But for a budget box where you like most of the products, it's still very, very impressive and such a great deal. Let's cross our fingers for this mascara. This is the Tear Proof mascara. Come on, look at this packaging. That is so cute. Yes, and a rubber bristle wand. I'm just going to go right in. I am so happy with this already. Wow. You guys are seeing this live. There's no cuts here. This is exactly my type of mascara. First impressions on this mascara is it is stunning. I don't know if it transfers yet, so I can't tell you if I would totally recommend it yet, but in terms of cuteness and initial application, beautiful. I just truly love P. Louise products so much. This makes me insanely happy every single month to buy this box and open it up with you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you later.